Good evening, everyone. My name is Cadet Suan from BSMT-4. The importance of automated analysis in avoiding costly mistake in shipping and logistic industry. The idea is the hub computers system that keeps track of all the activities and operation of company over period of the time. This system is constantly updated with information about various factors that can impact the efficiency of industry. Such a vessel loses at sea, containers loses in ports or storm, congestion, delays due to container shortage, and more. By analyzing data, which include minute details about this factor, companies can make informed decisions the future. In the future, they can use the data, predict, and avoid costly problem utility, creating a more reliable supply chain. That automated analysis allow companies to identify the shortcoming in areas improvement leading to increased efficiency and cost saving. Overall, the key idea is that by leveraging automated analysis of comprehensive data, companies can make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes in shipping industry, logistic industry.